To my product review channel. This review is going to be about the Taylor Instant Read Thermometer. These are usually very simple to use. We've got the temperature range 40, minus 40F to 450, and you see the Celsius over there. So the nice thing about these thermometers compared to the other ones is the instant read obviously gives you the instant read. The other thermometers, the older ones, you would have to put it in your meat and you would wait maybe 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and you would watch the thermometer climb up to find out the correct temperature. Now you don't have to do that. All you've got to do is you press the on button, you insert this into your meat or your candy or what, chocolate, whatever you're making, whatever you're working on, and we've got a button over there for Fahrenheit, for Celsius, the on off and the hold to hold the temperature so that you can put this in whatever you were measuring, press the hold button and it will lock the temperature. So we've got the instructions over here: auto shut off to conserve battery, response time 5 seconds for stabilization, so that means it takes about 5 seconds for this to give you the correct temperature. And we've got some other information on the back of the label that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to take this out of the package now. This was purchased at the Costco Business Center. If you buy this at the Costco Business Center, these are only a few dollars. If you buy these thermometers online, you might be paying anywhere from $10, $15. Costco Business Center, because they produce so many of these go for, as I said, I think it's like $1.99, $2.99. So let me take it out of the package. We'll test it out really quick. I don't know if I'm going to be able to give you an affiliate link in my video description for this exact brand, but if I can't, I will find an affiliate link. If you purchase on that link, obviously I'll make a few cents off of it. Make sure you watch my channel to see other videos, product reviews, and all the other videos that I post. Thank you. Here we have it out of the package. We have a little clip, so if you do this for a profession and you need to keep this on your apron, or on, well, this probably wouldn't be good on your belt, but on your apron, you got a little clip over here. There is the probe. Let's turn it on. It's already got the battery in it in the back, so if you need to, you can replace it very easily. We've got, putting it on my hand, so my hand is 90, it's already stabilized at about 92. We can move it over to Celsius. 94. Let's go back to Fahrenheit. So now, if I wanted to hold it, I could press the button, lock it in. I can take my finger off of there. The temperature is locked in. I can go back and put it on, my hand on there. It's not going to change the temperature. Press that, the hold goes off. And now you can see that it gives you the updated temperature. Let's put this in some ice water and see what happens. Is my cup of ice water. We are going to press the on-off button to turn this on, and let's try to get an instant read. Look how fast that was. 41, 39, we're still counting, 37, 36, 36, 36, stabilizing at about what it was before, 35.2. We're locked in. How wonderful is that? The instant read thermometers, if you have an older style, yes, they work. Go out and buy an instant read thermometer. That will save you a lot of time, and you will be much happier in the kitchen when you are testing out the temperature of your meat or candy or even your ice water. Thank you for watching.